A YouTube channel is an excellent tool for communication. You can publicly or privately share any video that you want.
First, make sure you have a Google account. YouTube is one of many Google's apps, so in order to log into YouTube, you need a Google account. If you have one, just sign into the YouTube app. When you open the app, tap the little person on the right side. Next, tap Sign In. Then just follow the steps. If you don't have an account, then tap the More Options button here. This gives you the option to create an account. Once you're signed in, you need to make a channel. A YouTube account and a channel are two separate things, but you need both to be able to upload videos. To make a channel, look for the upload arrow and tap it. If you can't get the upload button to actually pop up, like it's just not on your page, just scroll up to the top of the home page in the YouTube app and it'll pop up in the bottom right corner. Another way to get to it is just by tapping on the little person on the top right of the YouTube app. That's your profile page. The upload button is always on that page as well. Once you've located the upload button, go ahead and tap it, and then choose a name for your channel, and then tap Create Channel. Now that you've created a channel, you are ready to start uploading videos.
At some point in time, you might have tried uploading a video to YouTube on your iPad or iPhone and it didn't work. What I found is that if you don't create a channel first, you'll get an upload error every time. Once the channel is made, you should be able to go into iMovie, Photos, or any other video app and upload your videos without any problems.